Often without thinking about the implications, we as teachers have traditionally used the words strategy and tool interchangeably when talking about how we have solved a problem, sometimes not even differentiating at all, and accepting statements like, I used a number line to solve my problem. This, however, can cause some confusions for students and only paints half of the picture. When we talk about strategies, we are referring to the method used to solve. Decomposing, compensation, add on, subtract back, partial products, partial quotients, or algorithms. This is how the problem was solved. On the flip side, a tool is what is used to model that work. Counters, base 10 blocks, number lines, area models, or drawings are simply how students showed what strategy they used. These can be concrete physical tools or pictures of them drawn on their paper. Does it really matter? Who cares what you call it? Well, this is a valid question. The point here is that we want to make sure that we are highlighting the strategy and the tool being used as separate progressions that students move through. Let's talk about some quick examples. A student can add on using a set of counters on their desk, or they can add on by drawing a number line, which is more efficient. A student can use a number line and still count all, or they can model using decomposing and adding, making bigger, more appropriate jumps. Again, what is more efficient? As a teacher, it is your job to highlight the strategies and tools students used and help them to make the connections between what they and other students are doing. By highlighting student work, we can help a student who is drawing every circle for 54 plus 83 use a tool or a strategy that is more efficient. We can help a student who needs to physically use the fraction bars see how they can use a number line to show the same strategy. We do want our students to become efficient and effective mathematicians, and that starts with you knowing and correctly describing what the students are doing.